Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $2,000? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer under $2,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, QIDI Technology XCF Pro. The QIDI Technology XCF Pro is an industrial-grade 3D printer designed specifically for printing carbon fiber and high-temperature nylon filaments. It features a dual extruder system with one high-temperature alloy extruder for carbon fiber and nylon, and a high-speed extruder for PLA, AB, PTG, and other standard filaments. The printer's robust industrial construction includes a dual Z-axis precision linear guides and a PEI print plate to reduce warping, allowing for high-precision fast printing. It offers a large build volume of 11.8 by 9.8 0.8 inches and incorporates an automatic intelligent leveling system with up to 20 points for accurate calibration. The upgraded software provides optimized parameters for carbon fiber and nylon, and the mainboard features a Cortex M4 processor with TMC208 driver chips, paired with an 800x480 5-inch HD capacitive display. QIDI Technology also produces professional-grade filaments tailored for carbon fiber and high-temperature nylon, ensuring compatibility and optimal print quality. This printer is ideal for professional users seeking reliable, precise printing with specialized filaments, while still being capable of printing standard materials at speeds up to 120 cc per hour. Number 2, QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X-Max 3 is a large-format industrial-grade 3D printer designed for high-speed, high-precision printing, featuring a build volume of 12.4 inches, 325 at 315 mesh, and a Core XY motion system capable of speeds up to 600 ms with high acceleration. It comes fully assembled with an enclosed heated chamber up to 65 decks, dual hot-end kit including a copper nozzle for standard materials and a hardened steel nozzle for abrasive filaments, and supports a wide range of materials such as PLA, ABS, PEG, TPU, PC, nylon, and carbon fiber composites. The printer uses open source Clipper firmware and QIDI slicer software for easy control and remote management, while its ultra-stable all-metal frame, thick aluminum heated bed, hardened steel linear shafts, and durable belt system ensure smooth, precise, and reliable printing with minimal maintenance. With features like input shaping, pressure advance, dual cooling fans, and high-performance filament compatibility, the X-Max 3 delivers exceptional quality for intricate designs, prototypes, and professional projects, making it suitable for both advanced hobbyists and industrial applications. Number 3, Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D Printer. The Dremel DigiLab 3D4501 is a fully enclosed, award-winning 3D printer designed for education, makerspaces, and professional hobbyist use. It features a heated glass build plate up to 100 degrees Celsius and an all-metal 0.4mm nozzle heated up to 280 degrees, allowing it to print PLA, PETG, Eco ABS, and nylon. The printer offers a 5-inch full-color touchscreen for intuitive operation and semi-automated bed leveling, enabling users to go from unboxing to first print in under 15 minutes. Its sturdy plastic enclosure, combined with built-in carbon and particulate filters, ensures better safety and reduces warping, while the 6.7 Cloud 10 6-inch build volume accommodates moderately sized prints. Additional features include a built-in camera for remote monitoring, network cloud printing support, and RFID-enabled filament recognition for optimized print quality. The DigiLab 3D45 is praised for its reliability, ease of use, and accuracy, making it suitable for schools, labs, or users who prioritize safety and convenience, though its moderate build volume and preference for Dremel filaments may limit flexibility for larger or more customized projects. Number 4, Snapmaker A350T 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is a versatile, modular, all-metal 3-in-1 machine that combines 3D printing, laser engraving or cutting, and CNC carving, offering a large build volume of 12.6 plus 13.8 plus 13 inches, 320 at 350 at 300 30 m, for 3D printing. It features a 5-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, power loss recovery, a direct drive printing head, filament runout sensor, and uses the Snapmaker Lubon software to manage all 3 functions. Its robust modular design allows users to assemble, disassemble, and swap components easily, making it suitable for creative experimentation across multiple fabrication methods. Reviewers praise its solid build quality, multifunction capability, and high precision with repeatability up to 0.0005 mm, while noting that switching between modes can be time-consuming. The laser and CNC modules are not as powerful as dedicated machines, and its 3D printing speed and quality may lag behind top-tier single-purpose printers. Overall, the Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is ideal for users who want a single machine capable of 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving, though those seeking the best performance in one specific process might prefer a dedicated machine. Number 5. Creality K1 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K1 SE is a high-speed core XY 3D printer featuring a build volume of 250 × 220 × 220 mm and capable of printing at speeds up to 600 mm with acceleration up to 20,000 mm. It comes equipped with a flagship direct drive extruder with a side spring and ball plunger for precise filament feeding, a durable tri-metal quick swap nozzle with a 60W HOTEN capable of rapid heating up to 300 decks, and a rigid die-cast aluminum frame reinforced with corner gussets and cross beams to reduce vibration during high-speed operation. The printer offers one-click auto calibration and Z-offset adjustment for hassle-free leveling, an anti-vibration cooling fan with input shaping algorithms to minimize ringing and surface artifacts, and is fully pre-assembled and pre-tuned for plug-and-play use. Running on open source Creality OS based on Clipper and compatible with Creality Cloud, the K1 SE supports advanced features such as linear advance, input shaping, and community-driven customization, making it a reliable and versatile option for high-speed, precise 3D printing.